MG. There's a funky tunes going on. Canada Dry 0 sugar. Oh yeah. EDTA. I use that in the chemistry lab I used to work in. Oh boy. Probably shouldn't be drinking that stuff. Oh. What's going on today? Let's think about a few things. So let's see, what was I leaving off on? Yesterday, a lot of stuff got done. Ton of stuff got done. I'm really quiet.
Is this better?
Yeah, turn this down. We'll turn the music down a little bit. I mean, usually it's pretty okay, so I'm not gonna mess with it too much. Slightly. Literally. Face in the mic. Slightly. Good Melee Man. Do you like Super Smash or what? Okay. Yesterday, a lot of stuff got done. Essentially, we're cooking with a more concise tree. And also, I'd be forgetting what I did. Okay, so yesterday, oh yeah, so the habit creation and saving was moved into habit, and it was also successfully implemented here. So that's a good thing. That's a good thing. Save habit, delete habit, both work. Okay, great. Oh, I also added some UI things, and also made it, from how I understand it, compatible with Windows machines, which is, you know, a benefit. So we'll definitely be getting more into that. It was just the beginnings of smoothing out the UI. Okay. Oh yeah, so I want to modify the welcome message a little bit. I need to create a dashboard still. And the dashboard implies that I will have all the summary statistics available. And the current streak tally, instead of being just like incremented in the file like it was to begin with, it will be dynamically calculated essentially each time the program executes. So I need to figure out some date arithmetic today. And then I also have just like some colored text for the UI and stuff like that. That would be cool. But the most important thing as I approach today is everything, I believe, compiles. I mean, yeah, I have some warnings for some truncated stuff. I wish I could get rid of the warnings. I probably could by kind of suppressing them, but it's okay. Oh yeah, so you'll notice there. See, I don't like that. I have the sleep function. Just it'll do it just on the first thing. So we'll get rid of that for now. Yeah, you see it clears the thing. That probably doesn't work anymore. No, that doesn't work. So view habits should probably be implemented again or changed. Maybe I just. Melee man, what the heck are you talking about? What do you want? What looks like on low cost? Also, Fortran, crazy. I actually think my grandpa used to program with Fortran. It's kind of funny. Okay, dashboard. So I think to begin with, I'll start with some data arithmetic. So actually, I can change this real quick. Just something like this. And then, you know, whatever. A lifestyle counter. Fortran website, that would be actually pretty cool. Okay. What's up, Black Horizon? I'm doing well. Hope you're doing good today. Okay, so I think, like I said, I'm going to start with some date arithmetic. I'm going to have to sit back and actually learn how to do this. Because if I do the date arithmetic, then I can make the dashboard. So, let's look something up. Date arithmetic and see. Oh, we're gonna need time, of course. Let's see. Okay. Okay, you know what? Bing bam. Let's just look. Man, time age. You guys are gonna suffer through this with me. Are you gonna use the server for date? I don't think that'd be necessary, but we'll see.
Hello, can you teach me how to do arithmetic? Arithmetic. Pattern. Okay, you know what? I am not feeling this music. Let's change. Let's do this one.
Jungle Wizards have something new? What is this? No. This is gonna be friggin' epic. Oh yeah, so ambient. Yeah, let's suffer. Oh yeah, we're suffering. Definitely suffering. Lord have mercy. To put everything up in here. Oh, diff time. I think this has something to do with it. Yes, calculate time difference. Double diff time, t time 1, t time 0. Diff time function returns the number of seconds elapsed. Seconds? Well, I need days. How did I turn that into days? Oh my gosh, I'm so stupid. I never figured out. Represented as a double. Each time is a count of seconds. This is... Wait a minute. This shouldn't be that hard. I don't think so. Let's see. Acts like b minus a, except that the result does not overflow and is rounded to a double. Okay, so time t time 1. I'm gonna... What is it? Used for time in seconds. It is an integer... But dude, oh gosh. You know, I've done this. I've gotten the date before. Where did I do that at? Into here? Yeah, okay, so... Today... Wait, where the frick do I get it? Is it not here? I think it's in helper, actually. Yeah, so time t raw time is time null. What the heck? So what does that return? Whoops. Let's do another. Man time. A simple... I feel like this isn't for C. Darn it. What can I say? Man time function. Uh-oh. Okay, back up. Oh my gosh, yeah, I didn't even think about that. Today we're gonna figure out how to do this. Man time t. Well, let's see. Huh? Oh. Wait, what do you mean, dude? What do you mean, command not found Q? What the heck's going on? Man. Dude, that's really weird. I think we just need to kill this window. I think I did something funny here. Kill window. Boom. Alright, let's see. Use for times of microseconds. Time types. Clock sign, time T, type 2 paired in. Sys, oh yeah, so great. It shall define clock ID and timer T. So time T, raw time, struct TM, local. So what's the... broken down time? Holy crap! So that's local time. Okay, so that. So yeah, today's size of this blah 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 into today. Okay. Yeah, because this is something insane. Honestly, the way they did this is crazy. Year minus 1900. Why? Why is it the year minus 1900? Could somebody explain that to me? And then mom. Oh, okay, so January 0. I mean, that's okay. Let's see. Man local time. Oops. Man local time. What is sea time? Date? I'm gonna go forward. Okay, check this out, dude. Okay, so we have. Oops. I mean, does that even matter though? Yeah, actually, it actually shouldn't matter. Okay, so this. We don't. I don't even think we need this. For now. So the roll time null struct TM local time. Well, let's just do it by like time 1. So we get it time 0. And then we can do the same thing for time 1. Okay, screw that. Okay, so time 0, time 1. This? What the heck is that? I'm not sure if that's actually gonna work. Like, would that work? It's actually interesting. So, like, this one. Referring to time as raw is hilarious. Okay, what happens if I just try to do date difference? Come on, dude, please. Date diff. Yeah, I thought it took oh crap, what was it called? Diff time. Yeah. So it takes these time t things. I don't think it'll take with the what I have there now, but we'll see. Diff time times 0 time 1. Actually, I think be the other way around. Oh, 1, 2, 0. Okay. Let me record this. GCC scratch. Oops. Dot C output. Scratch. Whatever. A. Oh, that's great. Struct him. Yeah, passing argument 1 of diff time makes integer. Yeah, so I think I saw this coming. I feel like it just literally wants something like this. Oops. Damn it. No, darn. Okay. Well, there's not going to be very much different between those two things, but we'll see. Okay. Now, what the heck even is that, though? What does it return? Returns the number of seconds. Oh, it's a double. Okay, alright, that's fine. Yeah. Double diff. Oh, hold on, let my dog out. There's some sort of disturbance happening outside, it seems. Difference between time 0 and time 1. You know what? That's way too many words. Difference. This is integer. What's the placeholder for double? Placeholder for double. You told me there's literally zero. There's gotta be at least some time difference between these things. Oh yeah, what if I do this? Let's what if I do this? Written by Jim Myring and Paul Eggert. Hey, difference of 1 second. Yeah, but these are dates, dude. What is this? Wait a minute. Huh. Hold the phone. We may have achieved something. We have achieved an idea. The C time, GM time, and local time functions all take an argument of data type time t, which is what we have. What is calendar time? When interpreted as an absolute time value, it represents the number of seconds as elapsed epoch. Both take an argument representing broken downtime, which is a representation separated into year. Oh. Broken downtime is stored in the structure TM, described in TM. How do I get to that dang man page? Man, TM type 3. Darn it. Look at me, I literally have it up here, but that's okay. Feel pain. Into TM seconds. Okay. Oh, I'm thinking. Please. Lord, forgive me. Okay, how do I do this? Like, yes, I do have this here. Right? I have this. Now, I can maybe actually use this. But I don't really need it to be a string. It's a string. Or is it a pointer? Oh wait, here I do. So yeah, like this I don't need. So the struct TM has like a bunch of right, okay. Now, can I just access it? I think I can just doesn't it work like this? Because it's gonna be broken down. It will be. Okay, so like I think this should be like a pretty big difference. Oh Lord. January 1st, 2026, I think. Oh, bro, I said Tim. What? That's so weird. So we'll make it a month in advance. Dude, why is it doing that? So how many seconds are in a day? $86,400. Holy crap, it worked! 31 days. Well, that's fine, but I still am gonna have a hell of a time creating these. I've seen it work though. I've seen it work. I just need to figure out how I put the damn date in there. I'm actually really psyched that that just like worked. So now it is a problem of, now that I know that this works, so this right here works, this, that works just as is. Yeah, definitely rare moments with C, especially when I'm at the keyboard. So this works straight up. What the problem will be is first getting times 0 is going to be from a file, and it's going to be in this format. time 1 will be the current time.
Maybe it doesn't even. Maybe the current time doesn't even need to be done like this.
The current time can probably just be, because this whole make time stuff is something about the epoch, right? Returns the calendar, sets in seconds since the epoch, expresses the value of type time t. So all I need to do is get time 1 in this form. So that's actually okay. That could probably be easier. And then the only the only problem then is how I would read. What's the background music?
What's up? What's up, Monse?
The background music is a YouTube channel called Jungle Wizard. I'm gonna link them. They're pretty good. Okay, so that is good. I'm just trying to think about how I'm going to get the date from the file. Dude, what if I... Well... Yeah.
Really try to think about this.
You're welcome, dude. They're a good YouTube channel. How in the freak do I read from that? Oh, I thought that was another one. What the heck is flock file? Oh, I think it's just this F block file. Okay. Well, that's interesting though. It's like, how does it even lock the file though? Unlock file. No, no progress anymore. Let me shut me use the restroom real quick. I'll be back. Dog is sitting here like he was wanting to come in here, but now he's acting like he might just try to leave again. Come here, Romeo. Can you get up here? Oh, hey, boy. Oh, good boy. Oh, good boy. Oh, good boy. Yeah, there's Romeo. Hey, good boy, Romeo. Hey, good boy. Say hi to the internet, Romeo. Okay. Good boy. Oh, and good. Oh. Okay, go away. Let's see where he might just want to leave again. He's staring at me. You want to get out, Romeo, or what? You want to get out of this damn. Okay. If you go to the door, I'm reading C documentation. Oh, he's good boy. Oh, he's good. He's good. Okay, let's just see what he does. Okay, what am I doing? What am I doing? What am I doing? I forgot already. He's looking over there. Oh yeah, so I'm trying to, yeah, so this is okay. And what I mean by that is, I just know that works. I know that the way that is works, but it doesn't have hardly anything I need it to have, which is fine. At this moment. Doesn't need to have what I want to have. Oops. So many different things to kill in Team Mux. Demox all about killing. Maybe I'll put this in. Put this in. Why are you sitting where I did it? We could put this in here, like. Yeah, this ought to be a doozy. I mean, this straight up is whatever. I just need my scratch. Okay. Just need my scratch back. Oh gosh. What do we got here? Okay, right. I just need, what is this making? So I'm making a lifestyle streak program that essentially will track how many days somebody has done something or avoided something. It's something that I use one that I wrote in the past every single day, and I really like it. So I thought it would be cool to make another one a bit more complete as a fun project. Alright. Let's see, let's get it here. Oh, what the heck, dude? Let's... Okay, so basically, let's put a test file in here. Hello, 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 hello! Who's there? That's not, yeah. Let's put something in Scratch. Do I have anything right now actually here? I don't think so. Darn. I also forget the dang. Alright, let's. Okay, so let's just test.txt. Alright, let's put that in Scratch. Test.txt. I just forget the friggin' template. Oh, that's ridiculous. You're telling me this is broken, dude? Okay. That's what it looks like. F open. Oh wait, no, it's here. Test.txt. And then I was looking at these things. Oh gosh. So many of you. What is all of this? Unget, see? Imagine. What is this? I wonder what this vscanf stuff is. Alright. F-read. Sounds solid. Oh, dang, I didn't want to do that. There you go. Man, F-read. Oh, I don't want to do that. Let's see. What is this? Man, some of these things I've never even seen before. What is this? Open memory as stream? That's sweet. The fmem open function opens a stream that permits access. Specified mode. Allows I/O to be performed on the string or memory buffer pointed to by buff. That sounds like it could be pretty dangerous. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna... Oh, reading stuff that you're new on. So many characters is this? Oh, darn it. What the heck? That's what it says. That's what it says, though. That's what I don't get. I guess that's size, or... Oh. Why is it that? Oh, I see. Hmm. Trying to figure out how to capture the date here. Also, why is it doing that? Am I just not? Oh, I'm recording the whole time. That's why. Oh my gosh, I'm ridiculous. Let's see. So, to do this. Okay, and then for now, I want to. Like that. Why are you gonna return that though? That's. What is 139, dude? What is that? What is show return 139? Segmentation fault. Yes. Oh, wait a sec. Why would that be? What's up, dude? failing. Oops. Okay, that worked. Okay, so this is captured. Okay. Yeah. Okay. I wonder if I can use like this, so basically, once I have this, actually, maybe I should reorganize the way it's structured, but once it reads this line, I need to capture that date. I need to capture this thing. What actually, yeah, it should yeah, I should put the reset before these before reset date. So it'll be like this. So then it's like if reset is 1, then we're gonna use reset date. If it's 0, nothing is gonna happen. We're just gonna keep looking. Okay, so here we're gonna find it. We're going to store the init date here. Okay, so scratch this or blah 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 while it's not null if we need to so okay, so we'll include string and then oops, each time this does each time this does this we'll say if string, what is actually even the name of that, because I always say like this. Okay, whatever. That's what I say. Stir, 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 stir. So string needle on the haystack, essentially. So if the needle, or the haystack, where is it? Haystack needle. Okay. So the haystack is this. The that is that it? Return. What does it return? Null. So if it's not null. So if it's not null. Oh goodness. If this is not null, then we have found it. Data found. And then we can say okay, what is this? Input string scans formatted input according to what? Thank you. Thank you for the W. Am I using the plugin for Cursor Dash? Yes, it's called a smear cursor, I think. Let me show you. Oops. I think it's yeah, smear cursor. So if you don't have it, it's pretty cool. So string if the date is found, then what is it called? What is this? Let's see. Input. So basically, I can capture what's it like this? What's it? Okay, so that's year, month, day, and then what is that? How do you do it? Year. day. And then we know how this thing is. It's like no, so I can use this init date I have. So init date TM year is year minus 1900 as we talked about. TM, what is it? Is month minus 1 because January is 0. TMM day, whoops. TMM day is, I think, just day. So is that, oops. Is this it? I feel like that's it. And then that, I feel like that's actually it. So then you can do the MK time stuff that we were doing earlier on it. I think so. I do believe that's true. But, okay. Let's actually do this first. If the stir buffer reset 1, then we got to do something different. If that is not null, if this is not null, then we have to do something different because this would mean that it has been reset before. Oops. If that has been reset before, then I think we would just call it again. Oh man, would we just do that? Or because we know it's the next one. We just know it's the next one. I think I can just do that. Not equal to null. Another match. What? If that's not equal to null, then we do the same thing here actually. Except it'll be reset date. Yay! If it's been reset before, this will not be null. And then we're gonna get it again. And then, man, you know, oh. What was it? Oh. I thought that did it up. I totally thought that did it up. Oh, come on, bro. We're playing with me. You know, I always go back and forth between putting comments on the line above because I think the readability is pretty good that way. And I bounce between doing this and doing it in the same line because it decreases the total amount of lines. And in C in particular, I actually tend to like the inline stuff because I don't know. I just do. I just like to look fewer lines better when it comes to C for me personally. Alright, so if reset, and you'll figure this out pretty quick. So blah, 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 blah. Wait, hold on a sec, dude. I actually think this works. I think this works. Hold on. Gee, it's so annoying. I feel like there was something missing. Man, I have made a freaking mess, haven't I? What? How do I do that? Crap. Man, I got sloppy. I got sloppy around here. Yeah, it just needs to be here. Honestly, no, I love the cursor. That's so hard. Well, as per usual, I'm getting some core dump. Why? Okay, so to be fair, I did this pretty quick. Resize it for good. Yeah, so why would this do core dump? One second. Uh-oh. My freaking head's getting cold. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Come on, dude.
Let's go.
Okay, what was I doing? Oh, I had a wait. I had an amazing core dump. Wow. Maybe I should make this. Or this. I wonder if that has anything to do with it. I just don't know. Is this because stroke? I don't know. I wonder what happens if I just get rid of that. And then here I can just. Boy, imagine doing this a bunch of times. Let's just period. What? Okay, yeah. Oh darn, not the whole damn thing. Let's just do it from 22 onward. Period. S. Period. Oh, the friggin' bone. Period. Boom, boom. There we go about that. We can just do that. See if that works. I'm not sure. No. Still getting a big old fat cord dump. What if I said? It surely doesn't have anything to do with that. I wonder if it's like, is it something to do here? Oh no, I'll tell you what, I've encountered dozens, probably, of instances of these core dumps, and every single time they throw me for a loop. Every single time, they're so very elusive. What did I say? Why are you doing that? Like, why are you doing that to me? Is this a personal thing? Why are you core dumping? It's always something so simple. It's always something so simple to I forget. Is it like after close? Is that a thing? Yeah, that's it. Like segmentation if all core dumped. Let's bust out the debugger and see if this will do anything. Sure. No debugging symbols. Okay, can you just do this? How can I use this? I don't even know how to use this thing.
Mother effer, what the heck? Oh yeah, oh yeah. What is this?
Everyone wants a return. I got fish to fry right now. Let's return. Oh, yeah. Honestly, that could, yeah. Malloc size, what is it? Would be like TM? That would work. Let's see. Can I exit, please? Oh, does that not work? Why the frick doesn't that work? Duh, bro. Give me an error on this one, I dare you. Alright, nice. Okay, I'm not even gonna dare it to work correctly because I'm scared. Ow! You know what? I bet I know exactly why that happened. Yes, I think it worked. I need to make sure. Let's see. I guess afterward I can just like I could just like print the date afterward. Date, TM, year. Oh damn. MJ. This is all for a greater purpose. Oh, wait a minute. No, that's correct. I don't know about that one, though. I don't think that's correct. Oh yeah, it doesn't need to be because like I don't store it that way. You see, I don't store it this way. I store it normally. Dude, hello. What the frick do you mean? Oh, I'm so dumb. There we go. I don't store it this way. So technically that worked. That's huge. I mean, yeah, it does need to be freed, but the thing is, when this is actually used, if I free it immediately, then within the function, then I won't be able to use it afterwards, so I'll just have to free it in the actual function I'm using it in. So this will be... This is kind of big. So this all here is an effort, is half of the effort of getting my dates to subtract. Did this really just run out? Video paused. Yeah, this is half of the effort of getting the dates to subtract them in order to see how many days have passed. In other words, how many days has somebody been avoiding something or doing something. Okay, this is what it's all for. So, okay. Am I in the frickin' Scratch? I don't want to be in the Scratch now. Yeah. Okay. And this will also... This should take a path, right? I think so. Alright, so that's going to take the path. Now, this should return. Oh gosh, I'm messing with this like it's main. Let's see. Oopsie. Oh god, I don't know what the heck I just did. Not get today. I think I'll have to return that. Okay, so if I do that, then this really could be yeah, like this is just so get current. So these are both time t things. So the time is 0 is so struct tm times 0. Can I just set it equal like this? Path. So then time 1 can be got with like this.
How good is it? But I don't think it needs to.
Yep. Time returns the time as the number of seconds since the epoch. Cooking. That's progress time. Try to catch you in the next stream. See you later, Black Horizon. I don't know if you're still there, but see you later. Have a good evening. Nice to see you again. Okay, so time returns the time as the number of seconds as the epoch, which is what we were representing broken down time, blah, blah, blah. What does it do? It represents the number of seconds since the epoch. Okay, so both of these functions, time, this is easier than I thought, because all I need to do, literally, I don't even need to, just a pointer though, damn. That's actually kind of confusing. Is it though? Maybe not, because this takes the struct. So this I can convert here. And then the next one is time t, t1 equals time null. Like today's date. I'm gonna try to stay consistent with my comments. I mean, honestly, I don't know what you guys think, but I just think comments inline are so much more concise. I wonder if I can cast this as an int. So like the double is the difference, and days would be int double or diff 86, I think. So then that would be the days, return days. Okay, this is actually pretty successful. Okay, so with that being said, right in here, like n. Changed header message. How about if I try to compile this, by the way? Get ref date inhabit.c. Alright, I'm gonna address that tomorrow, to be honest. Made significant progress. Progress on date arithmetic. What does that see with some bugs? Okay, so after that, after I iron these out tomorrow, dashboard can be made, etc. I just have some things there. Should be able to be made. Is delete not working? Yeah, I mean, should be doable. Okay, cool. Thank you for watching. I'm gonna get out of here. Most likely be back tomorrow. So, yep. I look forward to seeing you then. Peace out.